China is always the low-cost producer. But if you make something a little special, a little different, a little premium, Nike is China earlier this month, Ford said that sales in China helped make the Ford the number one selling car in the world. Only about 1/4 of high school graduates in CT have the English, math, and science skills